today we've announced we have a sale going through the end of August on every single Class C I have in inventory. These Class Cs, we've got a bunch of 27s coming. They are currently closing out anything that we have on the floor. And by the way, wanted to show you my delivery area. Everybody says people are not buying motorhomes right now, and I have to disagree. Here's a brand new Phaeton going out. Another Tiffin Wayfarer, a $700,000 Centurion, an Integra Odyssey, a Delano, and if you look back over here, the Class B vans are between. So over there's an Ethos. All of these are going out to customers. Now, I also have big diesel pushers, and the reason this building is a little bit empty, remember, this is 2 acres. I've got another building right next door. The reason this building's empty is we have got a 10-day RV show that started this morning. Give me a call. My number's down below.